I can't predict the scores though, but I'm having the feeling Blackstar will do well. I'm deciding now, Oja Bakpo, Nemi Jobo, you may see the chair, Oja Nababa. I can feel in early. Last time I was there, Tamino Dungume Podura, Oja Banami.
I see say they support us now.
Yeah, Ghana, so far, it was a trust the process work. Mr. Goma. Still no Blackstar chair, you should just trust the process. It will work out fast.
So the guys, Mekao Jemia Paul game.
Oh, today I'm expecting a lot from Anton Semenyo. Yeah, Semenyo. I'm expecting a lot. Like all expectations on this guy.
Yeah, I don't know if Ghana do Panama.
Oh, ne Ghana mi jagba pa mi antaba meve. Age mi via mi abi. La do na we. Ne mi jagba nto ya aga mve ya wa we.
Ato mere ko on ko.
Etonam.
Yo etonam be necessary wa Blaster ato aga na Panama. Yo atona. Yo mi afọ nukola o. Nko nyenye ho isebula ho. Ewenyigba TV nye egbe mi le abloji. Eye mi le kaka home to amogbo kude Blaster game on. Kene formula to for akoba I'm a volley Blackstar GSM. Okay, actually egbe main view. So my name is Jose, and as I said, today we are on the on the street asking questions or interacting with people based on the Blackstars match at 11 p.m. today. So my name for Amapopo Merekunko.
Merekunko in C Blue.
Okay, please your name.
Kenny.
Okay. So Egba Mereku my the Amebo Bango. Egba Blaster game le miesi agogo le miesi nya Kaila swaglo.
Oh, nya gbogbo re kemela sinyo. Manya me die duga kwe. Mi di duga 2-1. 2-1. 2-1.
So today's match, what do you have to say about it?
Well, I'm not really expecting much from the team because from our previous matches, I think for our past 6 consecutive matches, we haven't won a game. So I'm not really expecting much from them. So what I expect today is a win, a diligent win, and it should probably be like 2-1 or 2-0.
Okay. Yeah. Both are saying this game is a must be a win from a win from Blackstars of Ghana. So who should we watch in this game?
Probably Semenyo isn't someone we should really trust in Blackstars, but one person I'm really looking up to is Fatau Isaku and probably Jordan Ayew.
Fatau Isaku and then Jordan Ayew.
Or Jordan Ayew.
Yeah. Okay, but I'm a Google we should watch Semenyo in this game. But I don't know, the majority are saying Semenyo. So now let's move from there to Thomas Partey issue. So what do you have to say? Even though they considered him though. So right now, any other last word?
Oh, but I know people that are already there, they are also equally as Partey. So there's no worry about that.
Okay, please do better. Okay, so do you also have something to say?
About Partey's issue, I think the Canadian, whatever their rule is or whatever their law is, we have to abide by it. Same way as if somebody is coming to Ghana and we have our rules, definitely we are not going to break that rule because of the person's dignity or something. So I think this should have been the work of the FIFA, not we the Ghanaians to do something about it. Yeah, so he's going there for a match. He's not going to stay there. So that should be the work of the FIFA, not we the Ghanaians.
So let's talk about the group. The group. Looking at the group, Croatia, England, Ghana, and Panama. Do you think Ghana will come out from this group easily?
Definitely, because I think we can surprise England. Down 100%. We can really surprise England from what I've been seeing, how they train, because they can't match with the weather at the US. Because of the summer, yeah. So and we are specially built for such weather, so we can really match up to them. Like how yesterday, Senegal was able to match up with France. Just that at the end, France is France, so we can still do something to England. We can surprise everyone in the game, though.
So we can surprise everyone in the game. So, Medeko would
oh yeah, group me qualify. hopefully we'll qualify. Yeah, we'll be one of the best teams in the group. Yeah.
Okay. We'll be one of the best team. Ke mahom yo ko nyata quick talk your short message to Ghanaians and Ghanaian supporters.
All I would say is we shouldn't expect much because you know what Black Stars can do to us. So we shouldn't expect much, but we should keep our hopes very high and we should pray. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, my diba mi akata mi ava mi adog beda. Mi ado mi ava Blackstars JC so mi support because it's a win. It's a win.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a win. This game, Blackstars must win. So full support. Let's support the guys so that we bring the trophy home.
I'm predicting 1-1 draw because Ghana, I'm not sure of them. I'm predicting 1-1 draw.
You are not sure of Blackstars.
Yes, please.
Why?
Because Blackstars team is not a team that I can trust. Yes, so I'm predicting 1-1 draw for them.
So, among the guys, who should we watch today?
Among the guys.
Yeah, the Blackstars.
Yeah, I think Semenyo, we should be expecting a lot from him. And we are all, let's say, we are all behind him. I want, me personally, I want him to do something for me.
Okay, you said you want Semenyo to do something.
Yes.
Nice meeting.
Thank you,
So, are you expecting the goal from Semenyo?
Yes. If possible, it can be 2. Yes.
I say you want 1-1 draw.
Yes, but if Ghana win, I'll be happy.
Oh wow. Okay.
If they win, I'll be happy.
Okay. Yeah. This is Ewenyigba TV. So you can watch us on Facebook, YouTube, and we even stream live on the set live.
Okay.
So nice meeting.
Nice meeting you too.
That game, Black Star, Ghana versus Panama. I think they should try their best to win this game because looking at their teams, the teams they are playing with, I think it's Panama that they can win. It's only Panama they can win, so they should try hard and win Panama. They should win Panama. I don't think they'll be able to get it easy like that. Panama is not going to allow them to win their games, but they should try hard and win their game.
You are saying that the group, Croatia, England, Ghana, and the Panama.
Yes.
They said it's only Panama that Ghana can win.
That's what I'm saying. It's only Panama that Ghana can win, and they should try hard to win them. If they don't, if they are not going to get it easy on the side of England, and not to talk of Croatia.
So what are you expecting from today's game?
Today's game, a win, a Ghana win. Yeah,
Ghana a win.
Ghana is winning this game.
Okay. So what's your name?
Emmanuel Ayikwe.
Okay. I want to test this coconut before I leave.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but I want to. So who should we watch? Like watch this game?
Oh, as you all know, our Antoine Semenyo to watch, the man to score for us.
Please your name.
Emmanuel Ayikwe is my name.
Okay, Emmanuel said we should watch Antoine Semenyo because the guy is going to do something for us today. So thank you very much and nice meeting.